You guys asked for it and I delivered it. Today I'm making homemade Greek yogurt. You want to start by making the regular yogurt. That's by combining powdered milk and hot boiling water. You want to give that a very good mix until the powdered milk is completely dissolved. Then let this mixture cool down completely. As the mixture cools, you might notice a layer forming on top. Simply remove that before adding your culture. Once you add your culture, give that a very good mix, then strain the mixture into an airtight container. Now place the container in 2 nylon bags, then put it in one place for 8 to 12 hours. Okay, I slept and mistakenly left mine for more than the required time, so you'll notice it becomes very tiny, but that's okay. Now making Greek yogurt is just one step more. You want to set a sieve lined with cheesecloth over a large bowl, then pour in your yogurt and place it in the fridge. Make sure you check every few hours until the yogurt reaches your desired thickness. Once the yogurt reaches your desired thickness, whisk it very well until very smooth, and there you have it. Your homemade Greek yogurt is ready to enjoy.